Look at picture 16. What do you think it is, Iman?
It looks like a bat.
It looks like a bat. Yes, picture 16 is a bat. That's right. Okay, now look at picture 15. I'm going to ask Iman again. No discussion here. Iman, what do you think it is?
It looks like an ostrich.
An ostrich or an ostrich?
An ostrich.
Repeat the sentence.
It looks like an ostrich.
Yes, everyone, picture 15 is an ostrich. Okay, two correct answers. Now I'm going to ask Ausha. Picture 14. Look at picture 14. What do you think it is?
It looks like a spider.
It looks like a spider. Yes, it's a spider. Move on to picture 13. Ausha. What do you think it is? Yes, it's a crocodile. Okay, 4 correct answers. We've got how many more? We've got 16, so 12 more. Okay, I'm going to ask Ausha. Number 12, picture 12. What do you think it is? It looks like a whale. It looks like a whale. Yes, picture 12 is a whale. Iman, it's your turn. Look at picture 11. What do you think it is? It looks like a rabbit. Picture 11. Do you think it's a rabbit? Is it a rabbit? Yes, it is. Picture 11 is a rabbit. No, that is picture 16. Okay, Ausha. Picture 10. Look at picture 10. Shh. What do you think it is?
It looks like a fish.
Picture 10 is a fish? Oh, unfortunately, picture 10 is not a fish. It's a good try. Give them a big hand.